Alrighty then, it's that time we've all been waiting for. Oh man. So this is the first time ever that we've done this, that we've had a contestant best my mini, so much so that she decides ukuthi uzofika naye le studio because akakholwa ukuthi she's not being aided by anyone.
Yeah.
Usefuna uzombona azolala naye bukhoma live in studio.
Yeah.
The Grand Quiz.
Grand Quiz.
On the Uprising.
Money, ching. Winner, chicken dinner. 10 questions in 60 seconds, 7 or more correct answers. You walk away with 1,000 rand. Your last answer is your final answer. And remember, you got it wrong the first time round. Mongazi uti pass, mongazwanga uti repeats. Alrighty then, I think we're ready, Mama. So one. Ninjani, Mama.
Siyaphila njani?
Siyaphila nathi. Sasajabula ukuba nawe e-studio namhlanje.
Ujabula mina abantu abami ngithandana.
Siyathanda. So you've been both a health practitioner and an educator in your career?
I was a nurse, yes, before.
Yes.
And I left nursing and then I went for education.
Oh my word.
I retired being a teacher in 2023.
2023. So Mini stands no chance up against you.
Hey, but yes, let's get some out with the accent and less. As I retired.
I said, Royal, listen. All right, Yema. So, ekhaya nje obana bakulalela bakusupportayo namhlanje.
Osisibami namantwana babo. Unfortunately indodana wami ayikaka salifika eGoli.
Oh,
and I download the app.
I download the app. Kodwa kulungile sizompackagela le part le akwazi ukuyibona kwi-app laphana.
Okay. Yeah, osisibami. I'm number 16 in my family.
Wait, what?
16? And one mother, one father. Yes.
Ngizama leyo nto ukuthi mina
Inkinga ba he has a lot of options.
Bazoba u2. But ngizama leyo nto 16. I'm sure Christmas is in a beautiful.
But it's long time. We are left. We are 4 now.
But sekhona abanye abazukulu nabashana nabo nomakoti nobani bani.
Because my mom and my dad got married in 1926. And I was last born in 1953. So from 26 to 53, my mother was giving birth like that. 30 years.
Wait.
Wena ndikusakhuluma naye ke lo inzala abantu. Nami nginzala abantu na. Mina ngiphathe 6 man. Ngibakhohle namagama abanye babize ngeinamba. Hey 2 up 3 4 ngenene moto nasambeni sonke up 5. Owamna lo owakabani lo. Alrighty then, so let's go straight into it, Mama. I'm going to hand you over to Naomi. Same rules as yesterday. So good luck and Godspeed.
Thank you.
Listen, I love you.
Love you too.
I just had to bring you here to just make sure there's no Google.
Yeah.
Maybe if I ask these questions in Afrikaans, maybe it's gonna be better.
Maar kan die Afrikaans praten.
What's that?
I'll just stick to English. I'm doomed for.
You know, she was saying that she can't speak Afrikaans.
Oh, is that what you said?
Yeah.
Thanks, Let's go.
Alrighty then, let's go.
Ma, an otoscope is used for which part of the body?
Yeah.
Baby Jack Matlala was a renowned athlete in which sport?
Boxing.
Majority of the people in the Eastern Cape speak which language?
Is Xhosa.
What is iholo before any deductions and taxes called?
It's gross income.
True or false? Peter Maritzburg is also known as Umnambiti.
False.
What is a dolphin called in Zulu?
Hlengethwa.
How many players are fielded by each team in a soccer match?
There are 11.
Name any of the elements of nature.
Water.
What is the part of the land ekudla or esondele nolwandle called?
It's a coast or ugu.
Spell psychology.
PSYCHOLOGY.
Oh my goodness! It's a clean sweep! 10 out of 10! Yes! Mama Tuduza Ngobo! 10 Out of 10. Oh my goodness. Come on, Minnie. Say it with me.
Okay, wait, I need to breathe.
Breathe. Are you ready?
Okay, fine, let's go.
Winner, chicken dinner. There you have it, a 4-time champion, man. 4 of 4. Started with us on a Tuesday, right through to Friday. And she's now made 4,000 rand. Can you believe it? Mama, usisunjani nje ma?
Oh, angazi mntanami ngijabule ngiyafa.
Hey, nathi sijabule siyapha. Ubekade uphule na igiza ma.
Ayiphumile kade file umuntu ezoyithi fortunately ngaphandle.
Okay. But 4,000 rand izophuma igiza.
Ayizophuma.
Usala no 500. Hawu ma. Imali.
Ukhokhela phela lo muntu ozoyifaka.
Felix, into ngisho.
Yeah.
Mina mfethu le mali isanduqala le season we're trying to save money.
Yeah.
Ma lo 4,000 owinile hayi ngiyakujabulela yabo. Sengiyakucela ke. Nawa amabhokisi awu2 la. La mystery box. La ile mali oyiwinile 4,000. La a mystery box, so it could be anything. I'm giving you a choice to give me my 4,000 rand back and choose a mystery box. Or you take your 4,000 rand and I keep my mystery box.
What if khona amasokisi lapha phakathi kwe-mystery box?
Anazi phela angeke ngikwazi ukuthetha khona kodwa.
What if khona ama washing machine?
Namagiza. About 3.
Hayi. Angazi.
What if khona ixoxo?
Ma, the choice is yours.
Must I choose now?
Yes.
Okay, yeah. You can choose now.
I want a box.
You want the mystery box?
Yeah.
Ngiyawuthatha 4,000 rand wami awusabuyi.
Hayi khokhe
Uwinile mina u4,000. Angidlali kanjani.
You ain't getting that money back, but I want the box.
Imali. Mhlawumbe mina ngoba ngokuwena ne? Asibani. So le lotha linalo 4,000 asawinile vele.
Sure.
Le linye ngenzeka lino 10,000 mhlawumbe.
Mhlawumbe.
Ngenzeka mhlawumbe linamasokisi.
Never know.
Ngenzeka line coffee mug.
Yeah, usithombe
Kodwa
sami.
asazi.
Yeah.
Ngabe.
Kodwa kwakazini.
Ungadlali kanjani?
Into engiyaziyo niyazini. Mokuthuza leli uzothola 4,000 rand usuwinile vele. Ne. It means you ngekwazi ube khona ngileliyana. So mina if nguwena bengizovuma ichoice.
Imako, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to give you some time to think. Nang no bright angena indabeni. Into ngisho. There's only 2 options. So I'm going to give you some time to think. Right? Asifake indabeni.
Ipressure ngake yana umuntu omdala mina enhla ayi.
Makuliwe kulithebani na.
Sekuliwe wahlula.
Yeah.
Kuliwe ka4.
This many.
Tuesday, Wednesday,
Yeah.
Thursday, Friday. Wahlula all 4 times.
Yeah, Gogo taught me a lesson or 2.
What's that?
But I'm trying to get my money now. Ekugcineni. So if you're joining now, Gogo sengimnika ama options out too. Gogo, the options are quite simple. You give me my 4,000 rand and let bygones be bygones, isixolelane, and then you walk away with the mystery box. And the mystery box, it could be socks, it could be a picture of Felix and I that you can hang up ekhaya. Gogo, what like I was
Oh, it could be more money.
It could be more money, you know. I don't know if I do that.
Hayibo. Hayi.
So, Gogo, the choice is yours. The whole of KZN wants to know. Okay, Tanika, mystery box or the 4,000 rand?
The mystery box.
Mystery box.
Mystery box.
Are you sure?
Is it your final choice?
Yes.
Okay, let's reveal what's inside the mystery box.
Okay, Gogo,
Oh,
ngiyavula.
goodness.
Akukho kuphindela emuva.
Vula. Ubusuletha net4,000 nazo ngidlali kanjani.
Ugogo wakhetha yomabili mfowethu.
Gogo, ngiyavula.
Vula.
Gogo, ngiyavula.
Vula. Vula.
I've opened the box. What is in the mystery box? There's no turning back now. Ketile. In the mystery box, you win 7,000!
My God.
Oh yes!
Aw, yaze ngajabula.
Oh yes!
Uyimali yagiza makhaya.
Waza. Winner! Chicken dinner! 7,500 rand. Sakubongela Gogos.
Oh, thank you very much.
Awu fuze lihle.
Angiphinde ngene
Usafulele. Awu Nkosi yami.
Samela.
Awu siyabonga ma.
Siyabonga.
gogo azwadila na
Hawu, akithi nobani ongcolile.
mama songcolile wazi
Awumbulazi.
Awulazi isithole sakambulazi singizalayo mina.
Awu ngempela uhlobeneke na umuntu ngama basongcolile.
Isithole sakambulazi.
Gogo awungitshele nje umuzwa wokuqala nje ukuthi ungenele lo mncintiswano wethu. Kokwenze njani?
Ukuthi nje ekseni so ngilalela igagasi. Mangivuka nje ngilalela igagasi. Ngibhoreke kanjani abantu behlulwa imibuzo esimple kanjani.
I peep your flex. I peep your flex Ntomdala. I see that flex.
Ngithi mina hawu. Lento engamsebenzi ngale ingane ehlula into encane nje. Hayi. Kathi ndodana awungifake la ngifakele lapho kuyi whatever ngoba kufakwa lezi zinto ukuthi asizazi lezi zinto thina sakhula singazazi.
Yebo.
Nakho kuthiwa kufakwa ku through bla 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 ngasi. Hayi abesethi hayi kulungile mas. Since last year wangifakela. Awu manje lutho angibizwa. Ngize ngithi mina ayishiya phansi lento ngoba ngibizwa khohlwa. Kathiwa ke ngolosibili sekuvele kufika waphe beloko efaka. Hayi mawadindi ungade kubali ngizolongifaka. Wafaka hawu Tuesday akufone hawu manje sawubona ma ngithi na yebo. Ayi baba bamba ingcingo mina ezingenagama.
yebo
Kodwa khona idlozi ngithelibambe le.
Awalibamba locingo hawu manje wawubhale wawusende iblab in something kushilo ngento zakhona ukuthi ufuna ukudlala
email
yes ngathi na umntanami bese ngingasazi ukuthi mhlambe ngisangikhumbula la. Ngiyabonga ke ngoba kanti wathi hayi siyadlala nawe ke manje namhlanje ngithi hawu manje
awu mabaso hayi
ngempela ngathi mina hayi kulungile hayi sadlala ke hawu kabona thawu kanti kangiqinisile abantu le ingane ziganga
Ziyaganga. Yeah.
ha umuntu ahlule umuntu ukuthi ena uma umuntu ezole ngakusasa de kunomcimbi welanda isigqoko
Ngabala.
lo muntu ukalaphi
Hayi ile generation laba ku empty le generation.
hawu Felix
Phela into abayaziyo lento uzoma night club. Awunto la amapiano nani.
Felix is dancing right now
Phela ke into abazi TikTok bahlala emafonini Wi-Fi. Abathatha incwadi babheke la ukuthi izinto la.
uyabona
Mina gogo ngibuzule nje wathuka mina enhle emumbuzo ukuthi iprocess la kushintsha khona igas iphinde la kweliquid what called condensation. What ha?
no gogo didn't say like that she was just like condensation like dang how
that was the subject I was teaching biology and Afrikaans.
oh wow biology in Afrikaans
Ay
So nje isifundo sami leso.
Yes.
Into ebengizazi nje bengazi ukuthi mani ngathinta lapho. Kunjenge spelling mina I will never go wrong with me spelling. Yebo ngilokothe ku spelling.
Ukuzamile gogo uzame 4 times.
Ungangenza nje kwenye into kodwa spelling never.
angibone ngo psychology athi hayi yabona ke la kube nje ngifake elinye ke
Yeah. I know sebonga kakhulu kube intokozo you put a smile on abantu abaningi that were rooting for you in this province. Uyazi ke nawe thina sinomini lesithaskwe ngokususa ama burdens of people's shoulders.
End for end nje. Bantu abami ayi.
So you aided us this week in doing that. Siyakubonga kakhulu.
Nkosi zenibusise nje.
Siyabonga.
Ngoba yazi nivusa yazi noma umuntu be down yazi uthola ukuthi hey kwamnandi ke manje.
Awuzeke.
Hayi niyasiphakamisa imoya yethu.
Angazi ulithola nelenye ithuba gogoza ukuthi ube semsakazweni obabamba nje ababili abathathu labakusupport ekhaya udadweni ubakhonzelela emsakazweni.
Mamkhulu ngiyethemba ulalele siswami na 85 years.
oh wow
Uhlala kwaNdingisi. So ngiyacabanga balalele. Dadewethu ohlala eGreytown she's 80
emdlovana
she's 75 years. Nendodakazi Ayanda no akhona. Ujomo ngiyacabanga ukulalela ngazi ngoba ubusy.
Undodakazi uAyanda lo ungakanani?
Yini phela manje uxoxela unkosikazi wesibili wathi yamthatha igama lakho Ayanda mina indaba ngiyayikhipha ke ma
Sengivele ngine tattoo vele pha lo Ayanda vele copy and paste.